most merciful. Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hopefully you all are doing well. I am your English teacher. Today is Monday and the date is 17th May 2021. So my dear students, welcome back to your English lesson class. And after your Eid holidays, today is your first English lesson. And I hope that you all have enjoyed your Eid with your family, with your cousin, with your friends at your home. And the most important, you also have collected the Eid money from your elders. So let's move towards your today's topic. So today's topic is article. So first of all, open your book page number 13. Okay, here is your book page number 13, and our topic is use of article. So as you know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets from A to Z. Total how many letters are there? Total 26 letters are there. So 5 letters are the vowels and rest of the letters are called the consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest of the letters are called consonants. So here we will be able to use the A, N, which I have circled, and use of A. So all those words which start from vowels A, E, I, O, U and the word is singular, so before that we will put AN. हर वो लफ्ज़ जो कि हर उस चीज़, शख्स या जगह का नाम जो कि वॉवल के लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है और वो सिंगुलर होता है, तो उससे पहले हम AN लगाते हैं. And all those words which start from the consonant, before that we will put A. और वो सारे अल्फाज जो कि कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं और वो वाहिद होते हैं, एक सिंगुलर हो, तो उससे पहले हम फिर ए लगाते हैं. आपने ए एन को याद रखना है कि जब कभी भी कोई वर्ड वॉवल से स्टार्ट होगा और वो सिंगुलर होगा, देन वी विल पुट द आर्टिकल ए एन, एंड द वर्ड विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द कॉन्सोनेंट वी विल put before that letter A. I will read the sentences and you have to read with me loudly, okay? Okay, so the first sentence is an owl sits on a tree. उल्लू एक परिंदा है, उसका नाम है ओवल, वो दरख्त पे बैठता है. ओवल start from, the spelling of oval is OWL. So the first letter is O and O is vowel. And here is just one oval, that's why we will put the article AN. The next sentence we will use the letter A with the consonant word. I have a new doll. मेरे पास एक नई गुड़िया है. New, NEW, new. New का मतलब नई गुड़िया है मेरे पास. New start from letter N and N is a consonant letter. That's why we will put letter A, article A. Here we will not say that here is AN and letter A. Here we will say that article AN and article A. The third sentence, Teddy is a stuffed toy. Teddy जो है वो एक बालू जो है वो एक ऊनी कपड़े से बना हुआ एक खिलौना है, नरम मुलायम. ठीक है. So stuff is the spelling start from S and S is consonant. That's why we will put article A. My sister eats an apple daily. मेरी सिस्टर रोज़ाना एक सेब खाती हैं. Apple letter A, A is vowel, that's why article A and we will write. The next is my father brought an umbrella. मेरा father जो है मेरे लिए एक छतरी, एक छाता लेकर आए. Umbrella start from vowel U, that's why we will put article AN. My gardener is an old man. मेरे गार्डनर जो है जो उसका बाग का ख्याल रखते हैं वो एक ज़ईफ़ बूढ़े इंसान हैं. O, AN. सारा हैज़ अ पेंसिल. पेंसिल जो है वो क्या है, हमारे पास कॉन्सोनेंट है, दैट्स वाई वी विल पुट आर्टिकल A. माई फादर हैज़ अ गुआवा. मेरे फादर के पास एक अमरूद है. गुआवा G इज़ कॉन्सोनेंट, दैट्स वाई वी विल पुट आर्टिकल A. माई ब्रदर रीड्स अ बुक. मेरा ब्रदर जो है, मेरा भाई जो है बुक पढ़ता है, किताब पढ़ता है. B consonant, that's why we will put the article A. Now come towards your written work and take out your English notebook. Okay, here is your English practice notebook. So let's open your page number 19, 18 and 19. Here is your page number 18. 18 is your classwork. First of all, write down the date. The month spelling is May, May 17, 2021. On the top you have to write down the class work C.W. So here you can see the picture, and you have to look down to the picture, and then you have to recognize the name of that picture, and then you have to focus on the pronunciation and the sound of the first letter, and you have to focus on the beginning sound of that word, and then you have to realize that we will put the article A or an. So here is just one book. Here what is the picture? Book. So picture, the book is just one, and a book sound is B. If we focus on the beginning sound of the book, so B produces the sound of letter B, and B is a consonant, that's why we will put the article A. So a book, एक किताब है, ठीक है. Again you have to write down the spelling. Next is, here you have to look down to the picture. Here is the picture of the pencil, and you have to focus on the beginning sound of this picture word, pencil. Produces the sound of letter P. Okay, so P is consonant, and here is just one pencil, that's why we will put article A. Again you have to write down the spelling. I will send you the picture of these two pages, and then you have to write down your classwork and homework. Okay, next is a cat. Cat, article A. Cup, cup, article A. क जो है वो consonant है. Girl, a girl. G is consonant, that's why we will put article A. Now come towards your page number 19. Again you have to write down the date at the bottom, and homework on the top you have to write down H.W. The next picture is orange, and orange is start from letter O is vowel, and here it's just one orange, that's why we will put the article an. Next is apple start from letter A is vowel, and just one apple, that's why we will put an, article an. Again you have to write down the spelling here, and the spelling of the apple again you have to write down 2 times, you have to write down. Okay, the next is what is this? Here is a mug. जो है वो बड़े प्याले को कहते हैं. यहाँ पर मैंने आपको एक और पिक्चर दिखाई है. कप जो है वो स्मॉलर होता है, थोड़ा सा साइज़ में छोटा होता है, ठीक है, उसमें थोड़ी चाय आती है. बट जो मग होता है वो थोड़ा सा ब्रॉडर होता है और थोड़ा सा लेंथ वाइज बड़ा होता है, इसलिए उसमें चाय भी ज़्यादा आती है. So here is a mug, and mug start from M is consonant, that's why we will put the article A. The next picture is umbrella is start from the vowel U, and we will put the article an. And the last picture is an octopus, so octopus start from vowel O, we will put the article an. So you have to write down two times in your page number 18 and 19, and do the practice, and look around your home that how many things are start, and look around the different things that the different things start from the different letters, and then you do practice that we will put the and how you can use the article A or an. Okay, so take care of yourself.